everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Samsung account on your Samsung phone. So just go to the top right and go to Settings. And scroll on down, and we're looking for something called Accounts and Backups. So here's Accounts and Backups. Choose this. Go to Manage Accounts. Go to your Samsung account. And then at the bottom, it's going to say Remove Account. You can just delete it right there. Now remove it off of your Samsung phone. Then go to Accounts right here. Tap this, and I just tapped Meets for some reason. But we can tap it, and we can log into a different account. So if we want to go to a different Samsung account for whatever reason, tap it right there. And then it looks like I already have an account on here, so it's not letting me do anything. But you can just log into that Samsung account, and then you should be good to go in the future. So if you're trying to use any of these like Samsung apps or the store in here, you're going to have to log into a different account, however. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.